Eating them,
Yes.
mukbang.
Mukbang yan.
Mukbang.
Oh yes, mukbang. Pang-content yun, pang-content.
Yeah, that's why I'm saving room for dessert. Because last time I didn't get a chance to get dessert. We were so full.
How is my sister? For now.
Yeah. And you're the youngest? No, is this the youngest? Your middle eldest?
I'm the eldest, yeah.
And the youngest brother. And then yep. John. is
John. Come here. Later, okay. Slowly. Okay, the dessert later when the food goes down. Okay, slowly. You have water there? May nagsiserve ba ng tubig?
Tayo yata kukuha.
Oo, meron din may papansin nilang wala nang laman yung baso.
Okay.
What? Pepper?
You need more water? This one kasi ang dipsy ko mo. Here, here's this one. May gusto mo soup?
Hindi lang.
Not spicy?
Invite me like a sourness.
Malat.
Alat.
Already? You gonna get cheese?
Tumatawag si Papa M.
Tumatawag ba?
Nakita na rin natin.
Ano na sila?
Nag-usap sila?
Ni Papa M?
Nag-usap ngayon?
Sabitan naman kasi kung nasa ano daw kayo, sabi ko nandito na kami.
Hindi na kumakain.
Kasi nag-ano ko doon, nagpa-order sa nila ng ulam.
Na-deliver na.
Kaya tinatanong na ako sino daw nag-order, baka daw sino sa amin. Nandun na kumakain sila.
Can you use this one?
Thank you, me. Thank you. Both of you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Okada once in a lifetime.
Well, you came here twice now.
Oh
every
yeah,
year.
twice. Oh yeah, every year.
So every year you'll come.
Okay, you come next year. Okada again.
No, I think you'll be getting her soon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
right?
hope.
Mabilis ano na
Oh, inshallah.
Kunti na lang naman requirements mo, me, no? Kulang, no?
Because of the letter,
Letter, no?
engagement,
Okay.
yung wedding ring
On
kasi
Friday.
hindi na sa Amerika.
On
Ay, hindi
Friday.
yan susutin ng wedding ring.
Can you change, please?
Yun ba yung promise ring mo dati?
Hindi, ito yung promise ring this one.
And then,
Ay, yan isa.
Drink water po.
Wow, diamond?
Drink water po.
yes.
Drink water.
May necklace ka rin, may nakita ko, di ba? Asa na? Patingin? Wow. May,
Birthstone niya, birthstone.
mais-nuts man na. May suot-suot
May
ka.
pangalan niya, pangalan ko. Kasi kasama dito sa picture. Lahat din ang resibo na
Naka-atas din. Kailangan kasi yan. One of the
I think
requirements.
it's too hassle to marry like here, right?
Yeah, it takes
Then-
longer because if you're married here, she can't come to the United States until a year later after all the paperwork's done. So it will take a year to a year, 6 months.
So it's better
Yeah,
to do it
it's
there.
faster to do it that way.
How